Right, so we're starting with the elevator that goes down to Datorama and Winners. As you guys all know, this is an Otis Series 1 elevator. We're going to go down to ground. There goes the door. Well, it's going to close up. Put things on the floor for you to stand on. This elevator doesn't change that much, but it's still the same for the most part. This is your basic mall elevator, kinda, but it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go back up to 2. The door closes. There's your emergency phone down there. We're going to watch the indicator now. Here are 2. The door's going to open. And there it goes. And that's it. Okay, this next elevator is located near the passport office. This elevator is a ThyssenKrupp hydraulic. The door opens. You put those same floor mats in the elevator for you to stand on. This elevator is not changed that much, although they did clean the floor. Metal walls, metal everything in this elevator. Those are the buttons, and then there's a security camera. Door opens. This elevator also talks, by the way. Door closes back up. Now we're going to watch the indicator this time. Here at the upper level.
Upper level.
Door opens. Door closes, and that is it. Last but not least is the elevator in the Hudsons Bay department store. This elevator is a Niagara hydraulic from 1989. This is probably the oldest elevator in this mall. The floor that I'm starting on actually used to be a restaurant, but that closed years ago. I'll wait for the door to open. And then we're going to go down to ground. Let's start with our cab view. It's a pretty nice cab, kind of dated though. You can see my dad there. Has the egg tray ceiling, which is what they call it. There's the license. These are your fixtures. Now, this elevator is a beautiful motor, so I'm going to be quiet so you guys can hear it. This elevator is a very nice motor, and the door's going to open back up and I'm going to get out. I'm going to watch the door close. There it goes, and that's it.